What's up, guys? Shining Chestnut here, back finally with another Pokemon TCG video. I know I haven't uploaded in like a month, but I finally got a product for you guys. And I got, let me raise it up real quick, the Mewtwo EX box. And I'm so excited to open this for you guys because there is a Roaring Skies pack in here. That means a chance of Shaman. Now, I opened the Charizard box off camera, and it was really hard to open. So that's why I'm doing this one to the side of the camera. See, we got, put this up. We got, let's get this promo out. Put this over here. We got this Mewtwo promo, Photon Wave and Cyburn. We have a code, a jumbo card, which I can't show you because my camera on my phone is too small. Then we got 4 packs: Breakthrough, Breakpoint, Steam Siege, and Roaring Skies. Let's go with Breakpoint first. Okay, this pack is a little hard to open. Okay, there we go. Okay, you guys can have the code. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, we got Corsola, Drowsy, Petlil, Kricketot, Pancham, Professor Sycamore, All Night Party, Scizor Spirit Link, Reverse Psyduck, and a Greninja. Nice. Put these off to the side. Next we'll do Breakthrough. Gonna be honest with you guys, Breakthrough is my least favorite set that came in probably XY. Don't know why. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Get the pack trick going, and we got Rufflet, Chespin again, Zora, Raichu, Fracture, Parallel City, Seaking, Froakie, Stunfisk. Oh, Raichu was alright. There's the pack trick on. Alright, now for Steam Siege. Okay, this pack is really hard to open. I'm struggling here, guys. Struggle's real. Struggle's so real. Okay, got it. I got it. I'm not weak. I'm not weak, guys. I'm not weak like you think I am. Well, some of you don't think I'm weak. 3, 2. Okay, we got Drifloon, Seedot, Sneasel, Oshawott, Fletchling, Duat, Greedy Dice, Zweilous, Primeape, and Primeape. Okay, now for Roaring Skies. I'm so nervous about this pack because this could either make it or break it. Because okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, guys, I feel texture. Oh my God, this could either make it or break it. Cascoon, Hawlucha, Dratini, Natu, Wingull, Fearow, Fletchinder, Latios Spirit Link, Togepi. Oh, and Full Art Winona. Oh my gosh. Okay, Full Art Winona. It's still really good. Still really good. Winona. Let's see. Search your deck for 3 colors Pokemon. Reveal them. Put them into your hand. Shuffle your deck afterwards. So we got a Full Art from that. Alright. So that's all for me today. Bye now.